Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to continue with our learning journey, sales and distribution, configuring delivery process with exercise 3, create, pick and post good issue and about delivery. So the last time we have already got into some introduction regarding the relevance of shipping and displayed a delivery document which already exists. And this time we probably create a sales order, and based on that we create an outbound delivery from outside and process the shipping. So for anyone who is new, my name is Anh, a junior SAP consultant. I'm learning myself different logistic modules inside SAP S for HANA, private cloud, and want to share with you guys my learning journeys. Hope that you might find something helpful for your projects or day-to-day operations. So without further saying, let's get into it. So our company have received a customer order that are then delivered. As an employee with responsibilities in shipping, we are also a member of the project team working on the system, and we want to familiar ourselves with the basic step of shipping process. First, we need to go to the Fiori Launchpad and start the Fiori Launchpad. And we need to log in with our user and create this sales order. Alright, so let's get into it. I think the minute with the T41 Fiori Launchpad here, we can click on it, or the other way is to navigate through the Fiori Launchpad with the transaction UI tool, Fiori Launchpad. I might have forgotten that transaction. Let me check if I can add them here. UI5, if I tool right. FLP, yes, should be this one. And if I click on it, it will also open up for me the Fiori Launchpad login. I think it's probably the same link as what the test system has giving us, the T41. So I suppose it's just the same. Yes, you can see here it is the same endpoint of 2261 and at the gateway 50081. So basically the same. So I just choose the first one where we got from the sub GUI, enter our training user. Okay, let me check. My user is group number 15, and alright, this is our train user 15, welcome one. Alright, I might have got the wrong user here, but let me switch out. Okay, I have given the wrong user, but I think it landed me up into the same user. So just to be sure, the next time when we go in, yes, okay, so we are here in the with the right correct user in sub GUI. We now need to create a sales order. Sales order type is OR 1010 for the sales area, sold to party. Alright, then let's create it step by step. We are going to use this Fiori Launchpad in the sales document. Sorry, let me first switch to English. Create sales order. Sales order is OR, the standard order type. Sales organization is 1010. Distribution channel is 10 and 00 is our division. So sold to party is C600 A15. Click enter. Customer reference 0103 is probably exercise 3, group 15. Requested delivery date is in 1 week. So I am now at on the 8th of February. So in a week it could means 15, or at least let's forget about weekends. So yes, I think it should be 9 plus 7. So yeah, I think probably 18. So it's already calculated for me. We have 5 days and then 2 days and 1 week, and then we have it on the 18th of February. Anything else? The material, of course, and its quantities. Click enter. We land in the material. 15 is our training group, and the order quantity is 10. Enter. So everything should be completed. We can now save our sales order, and we also need to save the sales order number. 381 is our sales order number. We now need to create an outbound delivery with the reference to the sales order just created, and record the document number. Use the information in the following table. Save the outbound delivery and record the document number. So we have shift to party, shipping point, plan creation date, due up until next week. All right. Then we're coming back to this Fury Launchpad, shipping and warehouse management, create outbound deliveries. So plan creation date is today and tomorrow, and we have sales order due for delivery, and this is the one probably created from somebody else. We need to create a delivery from our own. If we schedule a delivery creation, what happened? What is the difference? I'm not sure what we are having here. I don't think that this is what we need, but we need to create an outbound delivery with the reference. Yes, I'm not sure. Alright, so if I delete the plan creation date, we have more deliveries. And our deliveries is, our sales order is 381, which is this one here. So why haven't we seen it earlier? Earlier I think that the filter was today and tomorrow, so they got only today and tomorrow, Sunday and next Monday. But to be honest, our sales order 381, it has a planned creation date of 13th of February. So why is that? Yes, I think because it's we haven't requested delivery date on the 18th of February, and probably the due date or the planned creation date is up until this week or the end of this week. So the shipping point was already created for us. You can see here the shipping point Z015, which is matched to this one. The shift to party is C6110, C610, A15. Yes, C610, A15. We probably just click on this. App could not be opened to either incorrect freelancer configuration or missing role assignment. Alright. Then I can probably click on this, but I can create deliveries. I hope so. So log created. Let's display the log. What is showing us? So we have a log number 3861 created by us, and the message it does ovary status delivery. So we have this delivery created from the Fiori application. If I navigate to that, hopefully we land chain about delivery, proof of delivery, automatic confirmation. No, I just want to see it. So if I now click on this, we can see here the plan's good issue date is 17th of February. And we go to the header details. Yes, the delivery date, which is the requested delivery date, is on the 18th of February, which is what have been planned. Now we will check the next exercise. Display the about delivery. Which sort location has the system determined for the delivery item? What is the overall status of the about delivery? First, sort location. Sort location, let me come back one. On the item level, we have sort location 101C. Raw materials sort location. Yes. What is the overall status of the about delivery? The overall status. Let's get to the status overview. What is the OPS picking status is not yet processed, I think. Yes. Also the goods movement, billing, and transportation planning. So overall it have not been processed anything. If we go to the header details, go to document status, it check. Yes, I think everything is A, not yet picked, not yet started, good issue, not invoice, open transportation planning. So I think just an open about delivery where we haven't touched anything yet. So I just give it check, opened. Nothing got processes. Display the stock situation for material pieces in plan 10. How many pieces are in unrestricted use stock? Alright, they want to see how many material we have for this material. Let's come back once. Let's display our outbound delivery. I need the material document, material number. Then go to material availability. We go to display stock overview, display warehouse stock. Yeah, I don't know what's the issue. What's the difference between all these three apps, but we can go and have a look. So this stock single material we have for plan Hamburg. The sort location 101C. We have 100,000 pieces of this material in unrestricted use. So this is the first app, the stock single material. What is the display stock? Just probably do the same. So here, yeah, I prefer this overview. I think it's give me much more better overview or more intuitive than the previous one. We have a client, company code, plan, and sort location, and it just displays what it is existing or available. So 100 pieces, sorry, I think this is 100 pieces. Yes, 100 pieces of unrestricted use. The other are 0 or blank. What about the last transaction, display warehouse stock MB52? Same procedure. Let's see what is the difference. All right. Okay, so the warehouse stock of the material, we have this material 101C. We have 100 pieces, and each piece probably has a total value of 25 euros. Okay. So yes, give me more information, but not intuitive as the display stock overview. I think I prefer this one to check the stock overview of the material. What happened next is we probably post a good issue or pick the about delivery. All right, then let's pick the about delivery. We will go to change the about delivery. We have a delivery quantity is 10. Open quantity is 10. I will now pick 10 pieces of it. Click on enter, and then I post the good issue. So the delivery material is saved. Delivery is saved. Material document is created. I would just give the material document here, even though they're not required. I just give it here as reference. The overall status of the about delivery now. All right, then let's get back to it. Click enter. So we have here a plan good issue on the 16th of February, but we actually issue it on 8th of February, which means today at 9 p.m. 50. So we now go to the header details. The document status now is that we have the pick fully picked and good issue is completed. Yes, so I think this should be the okay. So if I go into the document flow, my delivery now got the status of in process. In process. I think previously it's got open or something like that. We now need to redisplay the stock situation in plan 1010. How many pieces are unrestricted use now? I think 90. We don't need to check that to see, but we will have a look. So coming back, material availability, MMBE. So here we get 90. So after we post a good issue, we have 10 pieces which left our warehouse, and what remain left is 100 minus 10, which is 90 pieces. We can have a look into the warehouse stock. I think here we should have we don't have anything like that. So we have MMBE and MB52. I forgot the material. But never mind. I think you got my point. And display the delivery again. This time using the Manage About Delivery app with the following information. Shipping point, ship to party, overall status, good issue posted. Alright, we can use it app, which is manage outbound deliveries. Not ready to post good issue, but good issue posted is our status. And the delivery document, which is a good one. Let's search by shipping point. We need the shipping point. Okay, it is already here. Yes, this is our delivery document number. What do they need? What is the good movement status for this outbound delivery? Yes, I think they just give us information probably when we go to the change about delivery. But to be honest, good movement status, we can go to here. Good movement status is completed. To which loading group is material in item 10 assigned? Loading group. Loading group is 003 manual. Alright, this is the loading group. And what is the number of the inventory management goods issue document? I think it is the document that we got earlier. It's always good to document it because they eventually ask us something like that. But how we can navigate from here to the material document that we got. If I were to have it, I could choose the document flow. And yes, you can see here the complete overview of the process from end to end. We have a standard order created 381 about delivery. We have the picking request. And we post the good issue directly in one time, which created two documents. First is the picking request, and the second one is the good issue delivery. And I think this should be the material document that we get. Yes, this is the good issue. The document date, posting date, material quantity 10 pieces. We have business area, profit center, GL account, movement type 601 is probably good issue with sales order, I believe. Let's scroll down. what? Don't we have 600 watt? Why do they skip it? This should be, yes, I mean 600 watt, at least we need to see it, right? What is 600 watt? What does it mean? It should be good issue with reference to sales order, I believe, but why don't we found it here in this entry table? We have 5 and then directly jump to 800 and bypassing all the 600. This can't be true, to be honest. Yes, but okay, it should not be a concern. Direction unrestricted use. Plan is Hamburg. Customer. Plan sort location. Yes, build of lading. Document information. FFI document as well. This is probably the accounting document. Yes, not sure if we can navigate to that. We have inventory, raw material, and material consumption. 10 pieces only, not much, but it costs only 2.5 euros. All right. Is that it? Yes, that is. The 2.5 euros concern me a little bit. I'm not sure if we only got 2.5 euros in the sales order. Okay. Let's get into the conditions. You can see here the condition value we have for 10 pieces. In total 200 euros because we sell the customer 10 pieces of this is 20 euros, and finally we have an output tax of 10%, so on top of that we have 20 euro tax, and 220 is the total amount that we invoice our customer. The internal price of 2.5 euros, which is I'm not sure, which means that this material costs us only 25 cents for one piece, and total we made a margin of 197.5 euros, which is to be honest for me a scam. How can you make such a large margin based on this internal price? Or maybe I'm misunderstanding what the internal price means. It might not be the price that we have bought from a supplier or the cost of the material, but just the internal price only for our accounting. But we can have a look, to be honest. I am not an MM consultant, but if I now go to MM03, display the material, and we see the accounting 2 and 1 for plan 1010. We will see. Yes, you can see here. So the valuation class is 3,000 raw materials. The standard price is 375, but the price control is the moving average price. So currently it costs only 25 cents for one pieces of this material, which is for me really interesting. Yeah, unfortunately I can't see here I want to check the transaction to check the good movement of a material in SAP. Let me add ChatGPT for that because I want to check. Okay, the MB51 is a transaction. Let me come back to here, MB51, and I search for this one. You can see here in 2018, 100 pieces are posted to this dot location with a good receive with a purchase order. Here's the material document. We can have a look. So someone posts a good issue for this one. I think Rosenhauer. And you can see that they post 3 different material, meta took group 1, 2, and 3, even 4 or 5. So they post a lot of material, I think to 30 different materials, all 100 pieces. You can see here, good received with a purchase order. Stock type is unrestricted use. And if I now go to check the FI document, yes, you can see here, the all cost only 25 euros for 100 pieces, which means that each piece costs only 25 cents. So yes, it is based on the good receive, what we actually bought from any supplier or just receive it for the first time. We have received at the evaluation price of 25 cents. And now after 10 years or 70, or to be precise, 8 years, we sell it for the price of we have 10 pieces, 200 euros, 20 euros, from 25 cents to 20 euros after 8 years. But yes, all right, probably just going around or going so further based on this topic. But yes, I hope that you might find something helpful. I really hope that, because it's we go on some extra miles regarding this exercises. So yes, I think we probably don't need to go look into the solution. I just wonder about the process, the status. So the status that we have, yeah, the overall, yeah, the loading group is 003 manual. So yes, everything is like that. So I really hope that you might find something helpful. If you have any question, just feel free to let me know by a comment. I will find some time to answer it. Otherwise, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.